Hello, welcome back to the channel. Many people get confused with the integer question. We have in the bracket -4 plus -3 in the bracket square. Let us break it down step by step. This is addition of integers, and we know that if we have negative plus negative, we get the answer negative. If we have positive plus positive, we get the answer positive. If we have positive plus negative, the answer depends which one has big quantity, negative or positive. Here, the answer can be positive or negative. If we have negative plus positive, also the answer can be positive or negative. From our question, we are going to start in the parentheses, and we have -4 plus -3. We are going to add the number. We will get 7, but since all of them they are negative, the answer also is going to be negative. But this is square. What does this mean? This means that -7 multiplied by -7. That is the meaning of -7 square. And we know that negative multiplied by negative, we get answer equal to positive. So our answer is going to be 49. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on integers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.